tweak all my skirts to be a little too sexy. Just like all my thoughts, they always get a bit naughty when I'm out with my girls. They always play a bit bitchy. Can't change the way I am, sexy, naughty bitch. I'm the kind of girl that girls don't like. I'm the kind that boys fantasize. I'm the kind that your mama and your daddy were afraid to turn out to be like. They seem unapproachable.